know what? I think we have to do the rotors. I think we have to do the rotors because it's not going straight like that.
Well, don't touch it.
No, the other way. I'm gonna land it up there. Okay, slow down. Okay, we gotta adjust this. This way.
I'm trying.
Down. No. Down. That's not like that hard. It's like a bug. Stop. Let go. No, I'm the fan.
Keep it up.
You gotta give me more throttle.
Kaylee could care less.
Down. No, move like that.
Oh shit!
The problem is it keeps turning around.
Maybe like tighten.
Nice.
That's like lower. No, not yet.
Ooh, good one. Inverted disaster.
Should it be spinning that much?
I don't know.
No.
That's what I'm saying. Why does it spin?
Because it probably needs an adjustment.
Then sometimes it doesn't.
There you go, Dad.
Every once in a while it just starts spinning.
Let's see if I can bring it up a good landing.
Not bad, Phil.